Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is David, and I have been a financial analyst for over 29 years. In this video, I will talk about trading professionals. How many times have you seen or read advertisements from people claiming they can help you make money through trading? It probably happened to you even before this video. They sprout like mushrooms. Every now and then, a new trend emerges. Currently, it's about copying the big investment banks. Everyone claims to have hundreds of students who make money thanks to their systems and strategies. I don't think there are many, but unfortunately, some people fall for it, getting caught in the catch-the-naive nets. This also happens in other sectors, such as marketing. I'm Italian, and in Italy, there are traders who, over the last 20 years, have advertised constantly changing strategies, always new and revolutionary methods. Sometimes from a Caribbean beach, other times from Dubai or with a rented Lamborghini. I know for a fact that all these people have lost a fortune with trading because they are fundamentally ignorant in the matter. If you are truly serious about making trading a discipline, whether full-time or part-time, the first thing you need to do is turn on your brain. The second is to start using it. Ask yourself this question. If statistics show that 85 to 90% of traders lose all their money in the first year of activity, how is it possible that all these students are making money? Do you understand that something doesn't add up and they are telling you big lies? Because if that's not the case, then you deserve to be scammed. Maybe that will wake you up. In trading, there are some rules you can't escape from. The first is that if you truly want to become a profitable trader, you have to work hard. If you think that having a strategy and pressing a button is enough to accumulate money in your account, my advice is to give up trading before it's too late and you burn through your savings. Pressing buy or sell is only 0.1% of all the work. Before that, there is the 99.9%, which is market analysis, requiring study, research, time, and effort. The second rule is that no one can teach you how to trade, not even me. At most, I can teach you how I trade, but it will almost certainly lead you to lose, because we are all different people, with different emotions, risk appetites, mindsets, bank accounts, and so on. The only way to learn to trade, and more generally anything, is to tinker with it. But the big internet gurus will never tell you that, otherwise, they would be forced to find a real job. Many brokers allow you to use a demo platform with virtual money. You have to analyze the markets and open trades based on the data collected. Understand why the trade was positive or why it resulted in a loss. Was the trade opened at the correct level? Or was it better to wait? And so on. Do you think investment banks or hedge funds use a strategy? They don't even open the charts. I don't conduct courses, coaching, nor am I anyone's mentor. I don't offer a trading signal service. And I have received a lot of requests over time, and still do. I could have made quite a bit of money. Ask yourself why. I can afford to choose whether to make more money or have more free time. I go to the Caribbean to relax, not to make videos on how to make money with trading. I have my own website. Write books, not only on how to correctly analyze financial markets, and have this YouTube channel, all for fun. Indeed, I'm not very professional in some respects. Spot the differences with all those who claim to have the perfect method, the surefire system to earn from the markets. In conclusion, if you are seriously intent on becoming a profitable trader, get a good book, maybe one of mine, so you will also be doing a good deed since most of the proceeds go to charity. Study it, open a demo account, and start tinkering. You will see that after a year, you will still have all your savings and a skill far superior to those who get hooked by these so-called trading professionals. If you wish, continue following my channel. I will create videos explaining many aspects of trading, always free of charge, without asking for subscriptions or donations. Thank you for watching this video. I hope the information shared today helps you in your trading journey. Feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. To stay updated on my latest videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video.